Hello everyone, in this video we'll be taking a detailed look and checking out the Hot Wings, a new casting from the 2025 J case for Hot Wheels. Right, before all that, let's take a look at the card itself. Here on the card we have obviously the car itself, and it looks like a sauce bottle, and from what I can see it looks it's based on a hot sauce, so I'm thinking Tabasco and maybe some other ones, some of the American brands I'm not really familiar with. So the 2025 fire mark means it's a new casting. At the back here we get to see the series name, Fast Foodie, and the name Hot Wheengs. Obviously no licensing details because there's no sponsors or whatever on this thing, so yeah. Right, let's move on to the card itself. The first impressions when I unbox it is that it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. Like this little cute little bottle here. The transparent piece here is really transparent, for lack of a better word, because some of the tints that Hot Wheels has done recently is like smoky. Like, okay, this is Matchbox, but like it's kind of smoky, and or like the El Camino here, it's just like kind of glittery. It's not truly transparent, right? So when I first got it, it's like, wow, this is really transparent. It's so cool. And yeah, from what I can see, like it's just based on chicken wing designs. You can see here the tail end here. Let's take a detailed look. Starting from the front, we get to see two what is supposed to be splitters, but like, look at it, it just looks like chicken wings, right? And we get to see at the front here, we get to see the bottle cap. It doesn't go all the way through. On the sides here we see the wheels. These are ID wheels, but they have seemed to trickle down into main lines from what I know recently. There's a few cars in 2025's mainline that has these wheels, notably Maru GTC. I don't have that car right now, but yeah, that's one of them. You see some exhaust. You get to see the big chicken wing here, the wingtip, and the flats. You can kind of see the design cues, and another set of ID wheels. And the bottom, you get to see something like this: the ridges on glass bottles to prevent it from like cracking when slamming it down, and the Hot Wheels logo. There's also an anti-wheelie bar here for a secret feature that we will see next. On this side we get to see more of the same: wing, wheel, exhaust, and the wheel again. And here we go, the most interesting side of this little car, the decals at the bottom. You can see Zhao brand, a nod to the designer brand Zhao. And I didn't notice it when I first looking at it, but these supposedly chili logos denoting its spiciness is actually the Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, and there's a little Easter egg here at the inside of the car. You can see a little chili here. That's fairly interesting. And the big Hot Wheels logo, like giving a nod to the hot sauce design, bottle designs that I've seen, where you have like a guy and then like the name of the sauce. So maybe this is Hot Wheels saying that there will be a hot sauce collaboration, because there's also Chill Mill, which is also based on hot sauces. Kind of odd that they did that this year. Right, for the one special feature it has, it stands. Like, I thought it wouldn't stand, based on some discussion with people on Discord, and I thought these wingtips would make it not sand, but turns out it actually sticks at the correct angle for it to be slightly tilted back, so you can put it on your table. Just have a hold at it. It's really fun. It's really textured. I really like I really like how just the car is textured and everything. It's just so fun. Let's give it a roll test. It rolls really well. Rolls really well. There's some wheel wobbling, but like it doesn't affect the rolling performance. I've had a test with some recent Tomicas I've gotten, and it just it doesn't roll that well compared to any Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels roll so well. Anyway, let's move on to the scale test, the weight test. This car weighs 36.4 grams. It's not that heavy, but it's not that heavy on this, like on the whole, based on like other mainline cars. But I don't know why it just feels really good in the hands. It's not like it's not because it's heavy, but it's just the texture, the design. It looks and feels really well. I really like holding this car like a child, like this, just gripping it. It's really fun to me. I know not a lot of people are looking forward to this, but as soon as I saw it on like the big, like case picture, J cases out, I just kind of, wow, this is it. I want this. So you might see it on your pegs everywhere half a year from now, but it is now to me the coolest casting of this year. It has to be. I just can't get over how nice and how textured this design is. I really like the feel. Right, turntable time. So you can, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more future case unboxings to the US or any other country, do let me know. I'll try to get my hands on them as soon as possible and show it to you guys so that you can see the car and any Easter eggs or whatever that I can find, and get to take a look at the car before you decide to take the plunge. Right, these cars are no longer cheap. So yeah, thank you for sharing your time with me, and bye bye.